Hi there, ready for some tidiness motivation as I attack the kitchen and family room? Just kidding. Welcome to my channel. My name is Dee. It's been some time since I've done any kind of cleaning, decluttering, or tidy video. Got my apron on, my music on in the background to help me get started. Okay, who's getting overwhelmed for the upcoming holiday seasons? YouTube, it's okay. You're not alone. Honestly, I'm a little bit lost. Don't know where or if to even start the madness. But I'm here. Let's do this. It's November. The leaves are turning to autumn colors. Weather is getting cooler here in California, and I've been enjoying my early mornings reading once again. It's now just the two of us, and I'm learning to slow it down more on the daily routine since my full-time caregiving duties have ended with Queen G. I've been on my laptop last night checking flights and hotels so we can make a quick trip to visit Jay's parents in Florida, who I'm raising funds for since they lost almost everything from the last two hurricanes. I let my dishes soaked overnight and I'm okay with that. Oh, and I bought myself flowers the other day from Costco. Yep, I'm that girl. I can buy myself flowers and talk to myself for hours. Just kidding. Thanksgiving in the USA is 9 days away, and Christmas is 36 days away. But who's counting, right? This year is going to be a tough one for me. It will be my mom's birthday and Thanksgiving week, a double whammy. Not sure how I'm going to feel next week, but I'm open to celebrate it with my dad and family. It's different. It seems we didn't really make any concrete plans this year. At first, we thought we might have a cooked dinner at my dad's house. Then we changed it to a possible dinner at a restaurant instead. Then it went to, well, we'll see. Being flexible like usual for us. This time is just different. I kind of want to cook, so that might be in the plan for me. If so, I have to make a list, a menu, and get planning. I've been seeing some YouTube channels complaining about their subscribers not seeing their posted videos on their homepage feed, or they found out that they were no longer subscribed. I saw that recently, too, in my own views. Just thought I would remind some to check and make sure you're subscribed and turn on that notification by clicking that bell to the right of your screen. I have more editing to do and posting more items on Mercari to sell. I'm not a reseller, but decided to sell the items I've decluttered. It's a slow process, man. I decided to wait until we get back from our Las Vegas trip to begin decorating for Christmas. Our new neighbors next door plans to go all out. And I feel I should, up our game this year just because. I went to Home Goods the other day and they had so many beautiful Christmas decor there that I had to refrain from purchasing. I still need to take inventory of what I already have and want to declutter first before I buy anything new. I've been seeing all the Christmas movies on TV lately. Have you? Everyone seems to be shopping the early Black Fridays recently. And one of my friends on Facebook posted that she's done decorating, shopping, all her holiday cards ready to mail out, and her gifts are already wrapped under her tree. She keeps her Christmas binder clenched to her arms. I'm like, you go, girl. Because in my little world, I'm still trying to take it day to day without Mom, without our beloved Queen G, who I know would want me to keep living among the living, as we always said to one another. I, like most, want to clean the entire house before decorating. I had a huge list in my head that was so overwhelming to me, so I scribbled it all down like a big brain dump. That helped tremendously. What do you do when you feel overwhelmed by the holidays? Leave it in the comments. And let's not forget to take time to be present and do self-care too. I mean, take the time out for yourself. We deserve that, and we need that. I always start my day by making my bed and then wiping the kitchen counter, stove, and begin it with a clean slate, so to speak, my ground zero, bringing it back to basics, home base, you get it. Nothing has changed that for me in my retirement from caregiving. The only thing that's hard for me at the moment is the quietness in the home. The silence is hard for me to get used to while cleaning the kitchen, so I've been making it a habit to turn on the radio to listen to my enjoyable morning radio show during the week. They keep me company. Music seems to really help me these days. I'm sure next month I'll be listening to all the Christmas classics and looking forward to all the new ones coming out this season. I actually went shopping at Bath and Body Works. I know. I'm trying out their seasonal wallflowers. I've never tried them before. OMG, I plugged in the pumpkin pecan waffle fragrance. It smells amazing. My husband kept joking about who was baking all the time. I bought one for Christmas too in the bright Christmas morning. I can't wait to plug that one in. I bought them on sale, I think under $4 each. A gift to myself that keeps on giving. I also had this red candle from last year that I didn't entirely use up yet. It has a beautiful and gentle spice, like magentic fragrance. I love to create a vibe for myself to enjoy, don't you? Now that I've tidied the kitchen, moving on into our family room. This is where we mainly hang out to watch TV and kick back. I like to turn on the Yule log video that shows a crackling fire, or find a YouTube channel with seasonal music with a beautiful scenery. There are so many choices available. You should try it if you haven't. I've been cozying up in a blanket first thing early in the morning to read my new book. I want to read more. I love going to the library for books, but I picked up the Lisa Marie Presley's new memoir titled From Here to the Great Unknown. I'm really digging it. No, just kidding. But I am getting into it. I was raised listening to Elvis in our childhood home and family car on road trips. If you're an Elvis fan, I highly recommend the book. Our family room is not too messy, just the usual tidiness each day. Before I leave a room picking up, I always try to grab as much as I can in one try. Here I spotted something else to grab before walking out. Are you like that too? It's my water, and I really need to keep up with staying hydrated. Sometimes I get so into whatever I'm doing and I forget to drink water. This time of year, all those sale ads start to compile. I wanted to go through this basket and see what I can declutter. I like to keep my grocery ads, brochures, or sale booklets to take a peek in. But really, I shouldn't be buying anything for myself right now, as I'm telling myself. But those darn Black Friday deals are so appealing. I'm like, I want that, I want one. Wow, that's a good price. I should get it. It's so easy to get our purchasing out of hand during this time of year, isn't it? I think it would be a little safer just to toss them in our recycling bin for now. For safekeeping, that is, from me. Oh, and I forgot, I placed a book and a magazine in here. One is for soup recipes. I totally forgot about that one. I love to try new recipes, especially soup and stews this time of year. Now I'm thinking I would rather use the basket to store the box of Duraflame instead of the ugliness of its box just sitting there being an eyesore. Let's see how this works out, shall we? I started to clean the windows in this room last week, interior and exterior, when Hebby was working in the backyard. I still need to finish the 2 windows behind me, but we finally got our first rain after, of course, cleaning the windows last week. So that's on my to-do list. I vacuumed and dusted over the weekend, so no need to do that today. But since we had the fireplace going recently, I want to clean and tidy this little area. That reminds me, this Tiny Tidy Tuesday is an open collaboration by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. She's taking a much needed YouTube break until the beginning of next year. Smart girl. This week's Tiny Tidy Tuesday playlist, try to say that, is featuring a group of YouTube channels participating will be available on Melinda's YouTube channel over at Melinda Plain and Simple. So make sure to check out the playlist in my description box and my comment section. Go visit her channel. She has a lot of decluttering to share. Hi there. Ready? Real life.